Tired of only having basic pins and want to flex your ultimate approval? Let's unlock the coveted thumbs up pin in Brawl Stars. First, you need to make sure you have the premium Brawl Pass. This is the key to unlocking exclusive rewards, including the thumbs up pin. Now, browse through the premium Brawl Pass tiers. The thumbs up pin is usually located at a specific tier within the pass. To unlock the thumbs up pin, you need to complete Brawl Pass quests and progress through the tiers. The more you play and complete those quests, the faster you will reach that special tier. Once you reach the designated tier containing the thumbs up pin, make sure to claim the pin reward. A satisfying animation will confirm your success. Head over to your profile and find the pin customization settings. Locate the thumbs up pin and equip it to one of your available pin slots. That's it. Now you can use the thumbs up pin during matches to show your appreciation or just flex your dedication. Go out there and give some well-deserved approval.